Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second digital printing revolution. My name is Alina, and as I said, good morning, and we'll start right now. I said the second digital revolution, printing revolution, because it was only 19 years ago when Benny Landa introduced the first digital color press that changed the printing industry forever. Customers could now get short-run, on-demand, versioned and personalized documents at a reasonable price, and thus began the explosion of digital printing. The portfolio you see on this DRUPA floor covers all main printing sectors: general commercial printing, publishing, and, of course, packaging. It spans web and sheet fed presses and supports paper sizes all the way up to B1. The Landa W5 NANOgraphic printing press is for label and packaging converters. It is a digital press that offers mainstream production capabilities. The Landa W5 press has a 56 centimeter wide print format and runs at speeds of 100 meters a minute. Designed for applications like labels, shrink sleeves, tubes, lids, and flexible packages, it can cost-effectively replace a flexo machine with runs of up to 5,000 linear meters. The Landa W5 NANOgraphic printing press prints in up to 8 colors, including CMYK and spots. It prints on labeled stock, plastic, shrink sleeve stock, and paper at thicknesses of up to 300 microns with a resolution of 600 dpi with 5 gray levels. With all these capabilities, nanography is able to achieve the qualities of offset printing. Our nano ink process provides high abrasion and scratch resistance, excellent conformity of gloss to paper, and a high color density. One more stunning feature of all the nanographic printing presses is this new operator control interface. It is the largest touchscreen in the world, and it's very intuitive. First, take a look at the 2 vertical bars on opposite sides of the screen. So no matter which side you stand on, you can start and stop the press, you can raise the screen, and you can control the status. Shift planning is another top feature of the Landa W5. Look at this timeline. It illustrates how all Queen jobs fit into a full operator shift. Yellow areas on the timeline indicate the need for operator intervention. For example, a change in the substrate from, say, BOPP to paper stock. Let's move to this side of the screen where you can see the functions of the press. We have 3 areas of controls: the details of the current job, a message area for warnings, error messages, and the press status, a 3D animation showing the main subsystem of the press, and a real camera inside the press that enables you to zoom into any subsystem. Alright, Ronnie, please raise the screen so we can take a look inside. So, how does the nanographic printing process work? Nano ink is ejected from the print bars back there onto a blanket, which is down there, and after drying on the blanket, it is transferred to the substrate. Because the ink is already dry, it does not diffuse into the substrate. With nanographic technology, you can print on surfaces with poor absorption, on plastic, and on virtually any substrate. The Landa W5 press runs at 100 meters per minute in basic CMYK configuration. In addition to CMYK, you can add any 4 colors, including spots or hexachrome. 5,000 meter runs represent about half of all jobs today. The trend towards shorter packaging runs is bound to continue. With Landa nanography, jobs under 5,000 linear meters cost you less than with any other technology. Printing on any substrate, film or plastic with no pretreatment required, a Landa press will fit seamlessly into your printing operation. You will continue using the same software that we've been using and will leverage your current workflow and finishing equipment. Thank you all for your attention. That's it for the W5. If you want to learn more, please sign up for our show, Nano, Bigger Than You Think, presented 5 times today by Landa himself in the theater. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask our salespeople on the floor. They all wear a flower on their suits. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.
뭐냐면요, 기타